Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Welcome to 2666 Cyrus Hill Drive in Katy, Texas. Located on a corner lot in Morton Ranch, this charming one-story home offers a spacious open-concept split floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The living and den areas provide flexible space for relaxing or entertaining, while the kitchen features granite countertops, ample cabinetry, and an open flow into the breakfast area and main living spaces. All bedrooms are conveniently located downstairs, including a private primary suite separated from the secondary bedrooms for added comfort. Enjoy the convenience of being located in highly acclaimed Katy ISD with easy access to I-10, shopping, dining, and area amenities. Neighborhood amenities include recreational facilities and clubhouse access.